twice, and that's a wrap. That's all we're gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and get this party started. I want you to lie on your back, put your hands underneath your backside, and we're gonna start with some scissor legs. All right, here we go. Hands underneath your backside, point your toes, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Think about squeezing those inner thighs. Point, cross, point, and cross. Nice. Think 4, 3, 2, 1, take it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, take it down. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds on the clock. My shoulders aren't lifted on this one, guys. 4, 3, 2, come on. Fight it, fight it. 7 seconds, we get a 10-second transition, just long enough to set up the next exercise. In 3, 2, 1. All right, so it's reverse crunch, hold, go out slow, wide legs. Reverse crunch, hold, out, slow. This time your head is resting on the floor. Slow and control wins the race. Your job in this move is to not let your low back arch up when your legs go down. Nice. Come on. That hits those lower abs so good. Woo! Okay, hold it out. Hands are still underneath your butt. Leg raise, twist. Down, pause. Leg raise, twist. Down, pause. Let's flex our feet. Whoa, I love it. Hello, lower abs. Come on, team. Push. Heads resting on the floor. It was just that first move where our shoulders, head and neck were up. Deliberate movements, team. Come on. I know, it hurts, right? I know, I'm with you. Woo! All right, roll over to a plank. I'm going to use a towel. We're on our forearms. We're going to rotate side to side and then plank jack out. 3, 2, 1. Roll, roll, jack. Now, modification is a tap, tap, roll. Show you again. Modification, tap, tap, roll, roll. Come on. Woo! 15 seconds. Guess what, guys? We are done with these 4 exercises. We gotta start them over. Round 1 is over. Coming up to round 2. 4 exercises, 4 minutes of work, and we're done. Whoa, nice. All right, we start over with those scissor legs. Chest, shoulders, chin. Let's tuck it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if this is uncomfortable on your neck, you totally could lay back. Nothing wrong with that. I just like holding my upper abs and really crunching them down as I do this. Nice, come on. Almost there, guys, come on. 3 minutes of work left. We got this. You can do anything for 3 minutes. Ah. 2, 1. Woo! All right, here we go. Reverse crunch, slow. Hold it and then go out. Inhale, exhale. Point the toes. Roll down slow. In. If you think you're going slow, see if you can go even slower. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Nice. Woo! Almost there. Woo! All right, so leg raise, feet are flexed, twist up. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go, team. 3, 2, 1. Leg raise. Twist. I'm using my hands slightly to help me get up and twist. Lower abs are on fire. Once again, your back is not arching off the ground. Can you see this? I got a big old hole right there. Tuck your pelvis up. Glue your back to the floor. Hollow out your belly. Suck your navel in towards the spine. Glue it to the floor. So if you can only go here without your back lifting up, perfect. Go as low as you can. Do you, boo. Come on. 10 seconds. We got one more exercise and we're done. Woo! 3, 2, planks and we're done. Here we go, my friends. Roll over. Twist to the sides. The knife edge of your shoe is going to touch the ground. Check. Yep, we got it.
Yeah. This is really who I am. This is really what I do. I've been giving you these bars.
Come on, 30 seconds on the clock. Remember, you got the tap out as an option, as a modification. Almost there, come on. 10 seconds. End of the line. We're close. End of the race. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! My friends, we made it. Amazing job. 8-minute abs, check. Lower abs on fire, check. You nailed it. All right, guys, so my name is NikkiFIT. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, subscribe. I can't say it enough. It super duper helps me out. Little icon down below. Hit subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that little bell icon. That way you get an alert every time I upload a new video. And you know that you have a brand new workout. Just come on here and do. All right, my friends, be good. Take care. Mad love. See y'all soon.